Yo, what's up, guys? It's International O back at it with another one. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It goes a long way. You know the drill, you know the spiel. Let's get to it. It's greatly appreciated. We climbing on the race to 1,000. Help me get there. Greatly appreciated. What we got in today? Yes, shout out to Sneakers App. Finally, Sneakers App showed me some love on an exclusive. I'm at my desk working. I get a notification. I didn't even read all of it. It said something like, because of your support of Kobe or something. I can't lie. I don't remember what all it said. I just immediately hit the notification. And as soon as I hit it took me right to the app, had my size in already, checked out. I didn't even have to wait where you hit got it and wait nothing. It just went straight to got him. So here we go. You got it. Kobe 5 Protro, the PJ Tucker edition, the player edition. As you can see that there. You know what I'm saying? This is my first time seeing them. I just took them out the box. So I haven't opened them yet. We're going to open them together. Matter of fact, I'm going to let y'all see them before I look at them. Y'all take a look at them before I do. They icy? They sick? Are they sick? They sick, man. They sick. Honestly, I was on the fence about these, man. When I saw them, I was like, I'm in a group text and I told my boys, I'm like, yeah, I don't know, man. But yeah, these hard. These tough. The laces set it off too, man. I like that. The lace, the neon, the Volt lace set it off, man. Let's get to it. Let's just get to it for it. These joints are hard. See, it has Kobe Bryant signature on the back, the signature Kobe logo right here, and on the toe of the shoe there's actually a 24. I don't know if you guys can see that, but on the toe of the shoe there's a 24 on it. Here at the bottom it has a rubber sole, but it also has a carbon fiber here. If you guys can see that here at the bottom of the sole, has the Nike Zoom technology on the sole. So right here in the back is real soft. Here at the back and in the mid is nice, and then it has right here where on the middle side it's smooth on the inside, so it has support for your foot, man, for the sole of your foot. This shoe is dope. This is dope, man. It has a mesh on the back, has the mesh material. Now on the toe it kind of looked like almost like a croc skin or something, and you can actually feel it a little bit. So if you can see that print, it's kind of like a croc print here on the toe and on the side paneling of the shoe on both sides. And then it has the checks with the dots on it. This is dope. This is a dope shoe. This is dope. I'm happy, man, because honestly I struck out on all the Kobe week releases. I wanted that Lakers one. I wanted the undefeated collab. Struck out on all of it. So this, I will gladly take this. Oh, also I noticed here on the toe box, it has that croc skin here on the toe box on the blue part too. So that's pretty dope. Y'all gotta excuse me, man. I'm eating wings. I'm sorry. I noticed though here at the toe, on the flip side, you kind of see the glue stains. I don't know if you guys can see that here, around here. Kind of see the glue stains on the shoe. I don't really like that. I mean, it's not noticeable if you're far away, but close up looking at it, you can see the glue stains. But man, I am impressed, because I wasn't a fan of these. I'm being honest with you. I wasn't a fan of them. And I told my friends, I'm like, well, I got to wait to see them in hand. And it's crazy because a couple of my buddies, they wanted this shoe. I was like, I'm cool on it. But I mean, they gave me the exclusive access. I'm like, why not? And I went for it. And I'm glad I did. This is dope in hand. This is a dope shoe in hand. So yeah, you know what we got to do now. Take it from the hands to the feet. Let's get to it.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to welcome you all to the winner circle, where everybody in my inner circle we in. Before we hit the streets, Lord, forgive me for my sins. Born in the country where they judge you for your skin, yet and still we keep winning from beginning to the end. Yeah, and failure just an afterthought. Fuck a bank account, I'm trying to put some cash in vaults. Skating down West Timer like Gretzky. Ride for it tough as I pull a couple jet skis. 4 days, 3 nights, Cozumel cruise. Postman, I can show you what that mail do. Video and pics, swear I was on TMZ. 8-car entourage, all black GMCs. FMG, got a stable full of GMCs. Killing this rap game, ain't no label pimping me. Wrist slick, got canary on my Jesus piece. Ain't mad cause we keep winning so easily. Winner circle, get your boarding passes for the yacht club. Now I'm seeing how I feel to be a Laker, and now you suckers seeing how I feel to be a...
All right, size-wise, fitting-wise, they're tight. They're tight. Not at the toe, but just the shoe is tight. And the laces are not tight at all on here, but they fit pretty tight. They are a basketball shoe for sure. This is not a lifestyle. I mean, I know it's made for basketball, but it is not like a lifestyle shoe. You can wear it, but yeah, it's tight. You got to loosen it. You got to loosen it a lot. But, I mean, dope shoe, man. I can't complain. Here we go. Dope shoe. I'm a rocker, man. So thank you guys for checking out the video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And one more thing, man, before I get out of here. I was supposed to do the video on this because I said my videos are going to be different. And this is why. GoPro 9. I haven't even opened it yet. So I'm going to open it and check it out. It actually does 5K videos. 5K. So it might take me a minute to get to maneuvering in it. They have a new software for editing, so I got to get acclimated with that. And also, Apple devices don't take 5K videos, so it's a certain way I have to convert the videos onto an editing program in order to edit it. So yeah, it's going to take a little time before I get it going, but I will get it going because I got a couple ideas I'm going to do with this camera, sneaker related. But stay tuned. Greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys once again. And until the next video, you guys be cool.